Oh my goodness, is my first batch of shirts here already? Let's see if I can get in here. Let's see what we got. That was fast. Manfinity. I'm thrilled. So just one. See, this is an XL. Okay, I'll take it. We have a size here someplace. I love the shirt, but that is monstrous. I thought it had print on the back too. Guess not. I don't like that. Some new shirts. Okay. So we'll get into that one here in just a second. Oh, different shirts utilize different sizes. Oh, wow, I'm surprised that came. Okay. And what else we got? I think I knew this one was on the way. Maybe not, I don't know, that one looks different. This is an XL as well. And I think I've got a fourth one in here. Wow, 4 new shirts. Oh, yeah, these have been on their way for a while. These weren't, I think they told me to expect these Monday and it's Saturday, so that's fine. So, XL. I should get some hangers. I will do that. Well, so far feels good. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that's still July right now. What is it, July 19th? Okay, so little modelage. Can't believe how quick these got here. That's while I'm sleeping. Okay, yeah, I kind of took a chance on this. It looks like the color, and Hung says this is my logo, the palm tree. So. Maroon palm trees, ideal. Okay. All right, this is a successful mission, I would say. I anticipate it's going to fit better than the 2X. I don't know why I got a 2X last time, but whatever, I did. They may or may not be getting 3X correct. And for some odd reason, that looks like it's aimed over here. I got them for this purpose, I think. Can I be mewing? All right. Which art? Okay. Wow. They just said this was delayed. And then they said it was on an airplane. And then way too soon they said it was airborne or had landed. The eagle had landed. Speaking of the eagle in there. So let's see what we got. Whew. Pretty good shirt. I really like the shirt a lot. It might be my favorite America shirt. Yeah, I like that a lot. A lot. That's a little too much t-shirt maybe. I want to button the top button, not really. Not if I can not do that. But I love the shirt. Love it. Anything on the back? No. Can't say that I love that about it, but it's reasonably understated. Navy blue background, what's not to like? Okay. Gringo star, ha ha ha. Okay, so hopefully this is a better size. The last one was a little ever so slightly too tight. Yes, this guy, very spring, summer-esque. And these are, I think these are the shorts that go with it, or, oh no, I liked how the shirt looked online well enough.
And now that I know how to do the returns process, like so, it looks like it has this part of the collar, but then it doesn't have this part of the collar, which that's big blocks. It's a new style, 2XL. We'll see if they mean it. So I think I've got a total of 8 new shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I thought they were going to be matching pants with these. Maybe they're in the bag. I guess we'll find out. It feels kind of thick. I think there are matching pants in that one. This one, I can't tell. Can't tell if that has matching pants or not. I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, 8 new shirts I need to try on. We'll get into that here momentarily. So, peach out for now. Talk to you soon. Okay, the first package I'm going to open is the bucket hat, just because I'm getting kind of tired of this hat. And let's see what we got. And I mean, I always fold them up for shipping in such a way that you kind of have to figure out how to reshape them a little bit. But oh, that's great. Yeah, that's fine. Off with the old, on with the new. Doesn't really go with my blue shirt, but that's okay. Yeah, I like it a lot. This is another, $5 fine, $6, $8 fine, something like that. 5, I think. I need to look it up. I'll try and give you prices for all this stuff. So I'm ready for the beach. Okay, this one's a little on the tight side. It's another of the new 4XLs. Love the shirt, love it. I do. But look at that belly, man. I just need to lose my belly. I've definitely got belly pucker. Okay, same deal, just a little tight right around the belly. So I just need to lose my belly. That's what needs to happen. And that cat needs to quit. Yeah, I love this. Wow, look at this. Yeah, totally Mandarin. It's awesome. Love it. It's just, I got them XL. If they were American sized, that would fit. But they're Chinese size, and I'm not Chinese. Oh, video. Okay, that's interesting. Sure. So this shirt works because it's a little too small. So if I leave it unbuttoned and wear a nice t-shirt with, a grain, I mean, this thing is old, probably 12 years old, JCPenney.